When an author's purpose for writing is to inform, an author gives facts and information about a topic. Authors of informational texts try to make the information in the text they write as easy for the reader to understand as possible. Authors choose text and graphic features to help explain ideas or to help readers locate information. Sometimes authors decide to use a picture with labels or a diagram to give information. Here's a diagram of a barn. Now, an author might want to label the parts of the barn. For example, here is the roof. So they have labeled that part of the barn and then they have an arrow pointing to it. So they've labeled the parts of the picture. We've labeled the window and the door as well. They want to give information about the parts of a barn instead of describing it with words. Now, a caption are words or sentences about a picture. Some authors of informational text use captions to give details about pictures to help support what the main text is saying. It's important to read a caption carefully to understand the information in a picture or photograph. So here's the photograph, and then the caption is usually underneath the photograph. So when you see a photograph, you should always read the caption. A heading is a title for a section of text, and that authors include headings to tell readers what each section is about. Good readers use the heading to set a purpose for reading a section. So the heading is at the top of the section, and it is bigger text, so it stands out, and it will tell you what the text is underneath the section. So this will give you a clue as to what you are going to read about. Now here are some more text features. Oh, here's an example. Graphics. Graphics are pictures, symbols, or other visuals. Some graphics, like numbered steps, guide readers around the page. So there could be steps like 1, 2, or 3 that help you understand how to do something, the steps in order. We also can have a map. A map is a small picture of a big place. So you could see a map that is a graphic feature. And here are some text features that we just talked about. A caption, remember the caption are the words underneath a picture. Here are labels. Labels name the parts of a picture or diagram. Here is a diagram of a house. Here are the labels. We have the roof, the windows, and the door. And then we have headings. Headings tell what part of a text is about, and they can help us find information. So these are just some of the text features that authors use to help explain ideas or to help readers locate information.